Hello, Assalamu alaikum, dear students. My name is Ghulam Farooque Kaka, and I welcome you in Scholars Academy. Today, my topic is resources as a state element. This is the content list, introduction, definition, types, importance, food productions and its types, minerals as a resource, manufacturing and transportation. Now, the definition of resources: everything in our environment that can be used to fulfill our demands or needs is a resource. There are three major types of resources: natural resources, man-made and or artificial resources, and human resources. First of all, natural resources. These resources are gifted by God. For example, wind, water, ideal weather, rich land inside and outside, such as rocks, mountains, rivers, lakes, deserts, jungles, or minerals. Here you can see that how humans are converting natural resources in the form of energy and how they are utilizing them as a source of energy for the security and development or well-being of a state. Oceans, seas and rivers or lakes has been remained a source or major source of communication, energy and food for humans throughout the history. Human-made resources developed by humans to fulfill demands such as roads and other sources for communications, machinery, raw material and other infrastructure. Here you can see that roads, airports, railways, energy sectors, hospitals, bridges, dams. Now the human resources, human who made best with their skills and efforts, professionals such as teachers, doctors, engineers, skilled labor specialists such as software engineers, aeronautical engineers. Now the importance of resources for a state. Resources are equally important for the state's survival, development and security. Without resources, it's very difficult for the state to feed its population and its well-being and standard, to provide the security, and even they are unable to ensure their role in world politics. Resources are core elements for the state's security and power. State's capabilities depends on the amount of resources. Resources leads the states toward rapid growth, development and welfare. Now the food as a resource. Food is what we eat or what humans eat for survival. There are two types of food: plants and animals. Food can be produced on land, in fresh water and in seas. These are the major source of food and globally: seas, rivers and land, fertile land. For quality and quantity of food productions, fertile land is required or essential. Resources of fresh water are equally important. Ideal weather, strong irrigation system, Modern technology and valuable governmental policy or planning is required for production of food. For states, food is very essential element for the well-being of its population. Here you can see the types of foods: vegetables, fruits, meat, fish, minerals as a resources. Minerals are source of energy which are made up of non-living matters. They include calcium, magnesium, sodium, and sulfurs and others. Manufacturing as a resources. Manufacturing is the process of producing new production by using machines and labors. Technological advancement, skilled labor, capital, governmental policy also play a very important role in the quality and quantity of production, and that production, quality and quantity of production, which leads states toward the development. Now the transportation as a resource. Transportation is the transfer of messages and information. It's needed for rapid transfer of goods, persons, troops, and natural disasters management teams in case of emergency such as in wars or natural disasters, floods. Maintenance and construction of roads, road networks, bridges and railways. Transportation and its latest source play a vital role in the development and growth and security of states. It is required large amount of energy, a huge impact on environment. There are many advantages and disadvantages of the use of energy in the world, such as we are now facing the global warming. While new sources of energy are introduced to reduce the negative impacts like the wind energy or solar energy. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.